Somebody was like, real founders don't have so much free time to do content. Your show, you're not a real founder. And it's funny how you just be with your boyfriend and think that is the realities of running a business.
In fact, it's more difficult for you because you're juggling like being a content creator and being...
Action.
Hi, I'm Ria.
And I'm Kanchi.
And you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Soon pod.
Today we are going to get all the sauce from this girl boss.
Love that. Oh my god, I see your episodes and I was waiting to see this intro.
Oh, you were waiting?
Yeah, I wanted to see what you'll come up with. I love it.
We took a while to come up with something, but then we were trying to rhyme with impulse. We were trying to rhyme with coffee. But nothing was hitting. Girl boss hit.
Girl boss is you.
Yeah, thanks. Superb.
Are you excited?
I am very excited. And this is the most chill podcast setup ever. Like, oh my god, I could sleep here.
That's actually
That's
the
the
goal.
goal.
Yeah. For you to get comfy enough to spill everything and tell us everything that's on your
Done. I in fact just got on a call with Ria last night and I was like, I will talk anything you want me to talk. I've not had a gossip session in a really long time with girls. So I'm all for it.
As you should. We are
Spill
excited.
the coffee, not the tea.
Yeah,
Oh
literally.
yes, always.
Spill the coffee. Okay. So we are going to start by talking about your YouTube journey.
Okay.
Because obviously you're a YouTube icon.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, you are a YouTube icon. So like, when did you start? How did you start? Why did you start?
I think a lot of people know this already if they follow me, but I wouldn't call myself an icon because trust me, when you go to YouTube events, you meet icons on YouTube and they're massive creators.
Yeah.
I remember the first time I had this YouTube event, the first international event I had gone to ever was in Singapore in the year 2022 or 21. And I was the only beauty creator. I think I had crossed 1 million at that time. But I thought, oh wow, they've selected me because I've crossed 1 million and I was doing really well on shorts. My actually turning point in my career, if nobody's noticed it, was YouTube shorts.
Damn.
Like, yeah.
I think for many people, shorts was a game changer.
Yeah.
But then I started posting before people started recognizing the platform. I think YouTubers, long format creators had this thing, like a little bit of an ego के हम reels नहीं बनाएंगे, like हम TikTok नहीं बनाएंगे, हम TikTokers नहीं है, like हमारा वो था थोड़ा, हमारा मतलब मैं जिस community में भी थी हम सब वैसे ही सोचते थे. I was one of them. But when reels came, there were creators who were going viral overnight, and we've been doing this for so long. Like when shorts came, I was already 2018, 19, 20, 3 years into it, 3 to 4 years into it, and I had not had that viral moment ever. So when I remember I had this conversation with Himadri very clearly, where Himadri and I had got on a call and we were like, bro, when this shorts launches, we're gonna fucking kill it. Like, we're gonna be the one, 4 डालेंगे दिन का, तो हम 4 shorts डाले. Himadri and I used to post a lot. We started posting, and even when we started posting, we used to get 1,000 views, 2,000 views. People were still not on the platform. People were probably who were reelers were probably recycling at that point. But I was making exclusive videos only for shorts. I was not even posting them on reels, which is why there's a huge disparity in my YouTube and my Instagram. And it always takes that one viral video, you know. So there was one and then another.
What was the viral video?
There was a makeup video, literally a simple makeup reel, जहाँ मैं सिखा रही हूँ makeup. वो सॉन्ग था गर्मी उसका नौरा का वो गाने पे था.
You know, audios help a lot. Like if it's a viral
it was an
audio.
orange fiery makeup tutorial
nice.
on Nora's
Garmi.
Garmi. Yeah. And it had 34 million. I think more than that it's crossed today. That was my first viral reel. And then after that, those millions were much like back then millions used to happen like this on shorts. Because nobody was there. Like cluttered nahi tha tabhi market. So we really took advantage of it. I think I really chusawed my content that time. I was like, I will give it everything it takes. Like I was chasing that golden play button like my life depended. I don't know why. There was nothing dependent on it. Today when I look back, I'm like, क्या ही उखाड़ लिया
But
इतना?
it's good. It's also
having
good.
it. Yeah. It's too cool having it. The golden play button.
Oh my god, the bigger size is so. You know, now they've reduced the size of the play button. It's so embarrassing.
They made it small. Yeah.
I just got the silver button for Impulse and it's literally
It's very
the size
small.
of my palm.
Yeah.
Stop. Thank God I got the silver one before they reduced the size.
Yeah.
So the gold one is also smaller.
Yeah, it's the silver size.
That's not right.
And
I've
I'm
kept
like-
extra space on top of my TV for the gold ones, and now you said it's smaller. I'm gonna
And
be
I'm like, YouTube, ये असली सोने का तो था नहीं तो but they were like, I think a lot of creators hit 100K very
Yeah.
easily now. तो
Mm.
मैं
The shorts
100K, but then
era.
golden का नहीं करना चाहिए था मेरे हिसाब से.
I think because of shorts, people are hitting very quickly.
Very quickly.
Yeah.
True.
But I think I always have this thing that people that grow on shorts, like they don't post that much long form, but that's not the case for you. Your long form is also equally
Correct.
like equal to your shorts. So how did you make sure your long form also does well at that time?
It doesn't do as well as shorts,
Okay.
and that expectation you have to keep clear from the beginning. But definitely a newer community starts getting built on like your platform. So whoever has seen my shorts will also come back for more or will get recommended. The algo works in that
Yeah.
way. So I think newer people have joined my family on YouTube non-stop
Nice.
and like you know watch. But views up वैसे crazy नहीं expect कर सकते हो. But I love long format because I love watching. Like even your
Yeah.
podcast, I don't think I've watched you people's reel as much as I've watched your podcast.
That's
Because
love that.
I'm a YouTube consumer through and through. I
Yeah.
put on my TV and the first thing I use is YouTube.
So are we, by the way.
Yeah. So then for that, that I was like, I can never stop doing long format. Not because the money is there, it's not anymore.
Yeah.
It's just because I love watching it. And I was always very clear being a content creator कि मुझे वो करना है जो मैं खुद enjoy करूँ. मुझे
nice.
खुद देखने अच्छा लगना
As
चाहिए.
it should be.
And that connect is there. Like
Yeah.
you know
Oh,
so much
for
about
sure.
the person from long form, and it actually feels like your best friend is talking to
Yes.
you. Like when you
Also-
watch your favorite YouTubers.
Also, the fact that she calls like her YouTube community her family
Sarah's
is,
audience.
is actually enough to tell you that on YouTube you have a family and on
Yeah.
Instagram you have an audience.
you have
True.
followers.
It's a very
Yeah,
big.
follow.
Yeah, it's a very
And they
big
can unfollow. It's very easy to unfollow on
I don't
Instagram.
think people ever unsubscribe. Like I don't think I've
No,
ever
even
unsubscribed.
I've never
Ever.
unsubscribed.
It's so
to anyone.
weird.
Yeah, I'm still subscribed to Matt Stefanina since
Yes.
like 7-8 years ago.
I don't know who that is, but
He's
yeah.
a
He's
I-
a dancer.
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay.
But he
And
used
he
to
used
be
to
like
make these dance videos and tutorials and all in COVID
Yeah.
and stuff.
Okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
we used to watch that.
No, but
Okay.
yeah, even I've never unsubscribed, but I have unfollowed. Like, I think
Yeah.
I had this obsession of, I don't know, again, weird things I used to do in my early 20s that give me the ick today. I wanted my following number to
be-
always be below.
Sarah, same! Stop. Wait. Stop talking to me. I did this exact same thing.
Yeah, now
Till
I've got it
last
out of it.
year.
It gives me the ick now, please.
Now
guys.
I'm like, I will follow whoever I want.
I have literally stopped thinking about this. I follow whoever I like.
Same.
Like I don't care
Now
how
I don't
high
have
the
it
number
anymore.
is.
Same. Now, in fact, you know, so many pages I want to follow and I'm like, अरे यार किसी को unfollow करना पड़ेगा इसको follow करने के लिए. Brand pages का भी मैंने देखा है, मैं वही देखी हूँ.
Brand pages.
It's understandable.
No, but Impulse also follows lot of people. Like Impulse को जिसका content देखना है या वैसा
हाँ.
मैंने तो बोला है मेरी टीम वालों को
कि
कि follow
follow
करो
relatable
तो तुमको
pages.
वही दिखेगा and then you will want to create content like
Yeah.
that.
To
We
be
follow
fair-
every creator we work with, support,
Bro,
etc.
spoke to
The
to
pod only
follow-
follows us. We should follow
follow
people.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least
We should
podcast
follow all
follow.
our guests.
We should
Who's
follow
come.
our. Let's
Yeah.
follow our guest today. Cool. Good idea. Thanks.
Okay, wait. I have this random thing. Give me like a tagline for your YouTube. Like if it was like a
Yeah.
Oh
product.
my god.
Yeah.
If it was a product. So actually my intro is very popping and that audio I fetched a lot for it.
Huh.
You can come and watch me drink my morning coffee.
Oh.
And that's like my intro is this. Like
I
it-
love
Yeah, so
that.
it
Fits perfectly.
fits perfectly. Like you drink your coffee, you watch me.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the product.
So
You're-
you've been obsessed with coffee since before Impulse.
since before Impulse.
You've
yeah.
always been a coffee girl.
Always.
Did you know that you wanted to be a businesswoman also when you were a creator?
No, I don't know what came into me, but no. In fact, my dad's a businessman,
Huh.
and dad always he's the most comforting guy you'll ever meet. Like, he's a girl dad through and through.
Wow.
And whenever I should be, like, I was good at studies, but I used to obsess over my marks and, exams and these entrance exams. And I used to take so much stress from such an early age. And हमेशा मैं tension बहुत लेती थी. तो my dad would always be like, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मेरा business join कर लेना. That used to be the nightmare for me. कि मुझे उनका business नहीं join करना है क्योंकि I don't understand shit about
Yeah.
numbers. And he was in the manufacturing line. मुझे समझते and he used to always be so stressed when he used to come home. तो उससे बोला ऐसा किसको जीना है? तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. But आज I work even more. And he looks at me and he's like, I'm so glad you're doing this.
No,
Like,
so when you thought that you need to like have a business, like did you have other things in mind or it was coffee only? Like I need a coffee brand.
Just coffee. Like I was young, okay? I started when I was just 21. And before that, anybody would come home and I would have to mix like 10 different coffees on the Indian market to make them a good cup of coffee. And अगर मैं कहीं बाहर गई, like for example an event or something, and मैंने coffee में इतनी गंदी coffee में मेरा दिन खराब हो जाता. The minute I have a bad cup of coffee, my days go.
Yeah,
It's like one day I will have a coffee brand जो मैं coffee बनाऊंगी वो इतनी अच्छी होगी तुम जैसे पियोगे वैसी अच्छी बनेगी.
Yeah.
तुमने जैसे भी बनाया वो अच्छी बनेगी. So that was my intent and I was very sure कि वैसी ही बननी चाहिए. तो I have, in fact, 2-3 times I started my manufacturer hunt and shot it when I was studying because I was crazy like that. I would just like randomly go on IndiaMart and find people and like call them कि मुझे sample चाहिए. And then मुझे कुछ भी नहीं अच्छा लगा था. Then जब मेरा कॉलेज का पढ़ाई हो गया था, then I properly scouted and like went on multiple platforms. You can get manufacturers, contacts, scouted through people, through like more network banaya, and then asked people, etc. Then got like the vendors I work with today. So
Wow.
yeah, it was a journey to get there. But then when I had those final samples, I was like, this is too good to not launch ever. This is it. Like I was actually going to only launch one coffee and then do like other products back then. But there were 3 flavors we loved, all of us, and there was everyone had a different preference. The mocha, vanilla and espresso. These are till today like best sellers. And people were like, my best friends were my consumer study that time, and my influencer friends also. I remember Mridul had come home once, Haley had come home once. So I used to make everyone jo ghar pe aata tha try the product, and everyone would have a different preference from the 3. So I was like, theek hai, we'll do 3. So that was my first big game. But then after that, I stuck to coffee because everyone was just loving it, and then kept like innovating, experimenting with flavors, doing nostalgic flavors. I was enjoying it a lot.
Yeah.
Like product dev.
Vanilla is too good, by the way.
Yeah, vanilla is my favorite. I even caramel.
Caramel.
The caramel one
And
is
even
great.
mocha, I just took a sniff from the jar and it was so good.
Mocha is the best coffee there is. Like mocha is
Wait,
my
stop.
top. Vanilla also.
You can have it after
Okay,
this.
I'll have the second coffee.
No, vanilla also has. So people who love sweet coffee, they love our vanilla. So
I
you
love
don't have
this.
to add sugar also, and it'll still taste good. And mocha tastes really good as black coffee. So I'm a black coffee drinker. So I drink. But my criteria is that it should taste good in every
form. Yeah.
We keep on going till like I've done 20-30 samples of each flavor. Tab tak we don't stop. I am not like, because I didn't have investor pressure back in the day. So I used to not like have a pressure कि launch करना है. This is the month we have to launch in this month. Now I'm different, but that's
So when you started, you didn't have investors. You started all on your own. Wow.
and today also I'm fully bootstrapped, but I am like now I'm realizing how much I need money to scale. But yeah. Now actually when you start, I didn't know back then. I'm not a Harvard grad or like a Columbia person or an economics person or a finance person at all. So for me, it was only, I think what I do best at Impulse is product dev and marketing.
Yeah.
Those are my experiences. But as a solo founder, I have been forced to learn everything. And I think because I've not trusted anyone with the business so far, I do have a good team at this point where the execution bit is handled really well by the execution team. I do have some senior people who do the thinking bit also for me, the finance bit and all.
Yeah.
But I never thought that, oh, if I want to start something, somebody would give me money for it to grow. That was not the mindset. Back then, there was no underneath. There was no, like, you know, those, now underneath is a fully like funded like funded from day one. That was not the game back then. Back then, the scale of influencer business was, I knew always I would do it strictly like a business. And not like an influencer business, which is why it's not called Sarah's Coffee and it's called Impulse Coffees. Yeah, like I was very sure of that, but I didn't want to make it like how do I explain? Like मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कैसे investors लाते. मुझे वो किसी ने D2C का ज्ञान ही नहीं दिया. आज भी मैं इतना सीखती हूँ and I'm like, oh wow, this is how I have to do this and this is. And today there's AI, dude. I can't even like I can have a full podcast on how much if I had AI back then I would have been able to do. Like
Really?
Yeah, it's insane how AI can like if I don't understand numbers. If there's something I want to explain but I'm not able to, but I see something like I'll give you an example. If I have to make a projection sheet of how much I'm going to make in the next 6 months. These are the products I'm launching. This is how much money I'm going to make from it. So I put it on Claude. It'll make a full working Excel for me.
Wow.
If my finance person has made an Excel and I want to cross-check if she's done the right job or no, I'll put it on Claude and be like, criticize this like a VC and tell me what. Like, everything Claude, and I didn't have this back because there was no
Yeah.
ChatGPT, there was no Claude.
Yeah.
Everything moves a lot faster with AI, which is now to start a D2C brand is damn easy, dude. You may Shopify, your website can make on Claude. Everything Claude can do.
Yeah.
Everything Claude.
But then
like,
also, it's because it's that easy. Everyone's gonna have one, and it's gonna be so cluttered.
It's gonna
Already,
be.
everyone
It
has brands.
For sure.
Like honestly, every second or third person is trying to be an entrepreneur, which
Yeah.
I think is crazy. Like I think it takes courage, it takes guts. It's
It
a lot
takes
of work.
100%.
It's actually your whole life. Like you can't separate it, right?
No,
your
you
life and your
can't.
work. So it takes courage. But then everyone will have na.
But I always say this कि जो लंबी रेस का जो डिटरमाइंड है वो
हाँ.
लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनेगा
Yeah.
और जो लंबी रेस का घोड़ा नहीं है वो सर्वाइव नहीं करेगा. तुमको लग रहा है कि अभी जिनको आज का ये चस्का मिल गया कि क्लॉड ChatGPT सब फटाफट करके दे रहा है तो ऐसी मेरी ग्रोथ होगी. लाइक मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया आज मेरा 20 लाख आ गया अरे मेरा तो ऐसे ही चलेगा. That's not how business
Yeah.
works.
Yeah.
You will have a issue. I made 20 lakhs the first month I launched, but I didn't make 20 lakhs the next month.
Yeah.
So it takes a lot of determination, strategy, and determination more than anything else. Because I've been through a lot in my business in the
Yeah.
last 4 years, and through, I had to remind myself that I believe in me even when nobody else believes in me, and I have to and want to do this, and I will do this for the next 10 years also. So that you need to know very sure. A lot of people will get like, oh, it's so easy, I'll also do it. This is so easy, I'll also do it. But the tough will come, and when the tough comes, will you stay there? Is the real question.
I think the same misconception comes with being a creator
Yes.
also. Like people think it's so
Looks
easy.
glamorous, looks
Once
fun.
they start,
Oh
once
my
they start,
God.
very few people actually stick and end up
Yeah.
doing it. I think it's also so cool that you've done it for so long because it's so hard to stay relevant for so long, to make so much content, to keep like changing your content with like the ideas of current content.
sure.
Yeah.
Right?
And I think now we've seen you a lot like getting into like founder content, and everyone is doing that. I think it's the
Yeah.
need of the hour. Like people want to know the person behind the brand, like
Yes.
what their personality is, what they like, what they do, what they want to do for the brand. So was this like your personal choice to do it, or like your team has been like behind your life that Sarah, we need to do this?
No. My team is never behind my life. I am behind their life. But so because my vlogs are a lifestyle
Yeah.
vlog, what I do is in the vlog. So now my meetings, my plannings, all this like my day in my life kind of videos include the behind the scenes
Yeah.
of Impulse anyway. But nowadays what founders are doing, I have been doing from the beginning of Impulse. If you go and see the launch video of Impulse 4 years back, it had everything. My tastings, my samplings, my label making, my designing, the influencers who came home and trying the product,
Yeah.
the consumer focus group, everything. It was a 3-part YouTube series where on the 3rd video I launched the product
On your channel.
on my channel. So that's how, and that is when I came to know the power of YouTube, because that time I had 150k, but I'm telling you 20 lakhs was my revenue first month.
Wow.
Insane.
So that is the kind of power YouTube had, and my Instagram didn't even have 10k, I think that time.
Wow.
Damn.
So
This is mad.
YouTube has mad conversion power, which people get attached to their journey and converse. So I have always known from day one that as a founder, I will be transparent. I will tell people
Yeah.
what's happening. Even if I've made mistakes, I've sat and made a video on that,
Yeah.
that where I made a mistake, where I fucked up, and this is why you had to do. I remember this so clearly. There was this whole gift box we had done the second year, and it was a massive mess because I had gone to the Singapore YouTube event. I was not in town. Usually September, October is when you should have your gift boxes
Yeah,
already in.
yeah.
And we had first time dealt with Delhi manufacturing
Okay.
for the glasses and the mugs, and they scammed us big time. So a lot of money was lost in that. A lot of pieces came broken. The quality of the pieces was not up to the mark. The boxes became too large, so the shipping cost was massive because volumetric weight, everything that could go wrong went wrong. The MRP and everything gets printed already. So वैसा जो MRP print हुआ वो cost पड़ ही नहीं रही थी. मतलब मैं loss में product बेच रही थी gift box. फिर भी मैं निकालने रेडी थी, बट जब हमने लॉन्च किया ना तो हमको बहुत बैकलैश आया क्योंकि तुम्हारा प्राइस गलत है. तुमने कॉफी के बाद ये मग की इतनी प्राइस थोड़ी हो सकती है, डब्बे का कॉस्ट हमको क्यों लग रहा है, ये वो. तो ऐसा करके बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई उसके वजह से. तो मुझे बैठ के लोगों को ये सब मैंने वो भी किया है. लाइक आई हैव एड्रेस्ड कंट्रोवर्सी. आफ्टर दैट आई टोल्ड पीपल दैट आई जस्ट हैव दिस मच स्टॉक इन द वेयरहाउस एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू रिमूव दिस एट 999 एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट इन 10 minutes. My box is sold out. Like after that video. That is the power of YouTube. Like you sit
You
down,
were honest.
you were honest. Yeah, I was honest from day one as a founder. Okay, guys, this is the problem. This is where I'm at. this is what's happening and this is where I need your help. And people were like, absolutely, like who have the money and can support, like $1,000 for one person is nothing. They did, and I was still making loss. I still had to burn 500 boxes जो dad के factory में थे, but I still, the power of my community and this of founder-led content, I cannot emphasize enough on that, because I've been doing it from day one. I don't know otherwise. I have never known otherwise.
I think because you were a content creator already and you knew the power of your audience, you did that. But nowadays, people who are not content creators will start making content if they launch their own business.
In fact, I think like older businesses, like I actually had this conversation with my dad, because even he's a businessman, and he was saying that he wants to start posting on Instagram, right? So I was like, yeah, obviously, bro, I'll help you. But the thing is that people that have these old-time businesses, it's so tough for them because now it's so hard to run a business without social media. And for our generation, like you're a content creator, you're a YouTuber, you know what to do. But it's so hard for them. Like my dad was like, what will I talk about? What will I post? I was like, this is so cute. But also at the same time, he's so stressed about it.
It doesn't come naturally.
It doesn't come naturally.
And everyone is looking to hire someone to run their social media, but they're not realizing that they need to be the face of it.
Correct. 100%. Yeah, 100%. And I think that's the cheapest form of marketing. Yeah, you are. I am free for my company. I am always available. Yesterday I got a hate comment actually on my I did the multiple transition reel on my Bangalore trip, 24 hours. And somebody was like, real founders don't have so much free time to do content. You're not a real founder. And it's funny how you just be with your boyfriend and think that is the realities of running a business.
In fact, it's more difficult for you because you're juggling like being a content creator and being a
I was like, your comment is funny, bro. Like you think... firstly, all founders are making content today, and I am doing this for around 8 years. तो मुझे तो सबसे easy आता है. तुझे लगता है तूने 30 seconds की reel देख के मेरे को judge कर ली. मुझे 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगा उसको edit करने के लिए, और मुझे shoot करने मेरे it is on the back of my mind कि मुझे यहाँ पे ये shot लेना है.
Wait, how do you like deal with feedback on your coffee and like feedback on your brand stuff?
Feedback I take very, very seriously. We do consumer calls actually. We call consumers who've purchased from us and ask them, how do you like it? Which flavor did you like best? Are you going to buy again? What's, those things. We also do focus groups. So we have consumers come to our office or a restaurant or something outside and meet them. So वहाँ पे feedback जो मिलता है उसको हम actually batch 2, batch 3 वगैरह में develop करते हैं. तो like blueberry का people were like the flavor only we don't like. So then now I'm developing like a newer flavor which is coming in the next batches. Then guava chili, people were like, chili kick is not that much. So I've plussed it. I was like, okay, if that's, I kept it low because thinking iced tea
it'll be too spicy.
Yeah, then it should not hit the throat. But then we increased it a little. Again, I made consumers try. They were like, yeah, this is perfect. Good to go. Feedback, I take seriously. Criticism on gossip channels, I don't take. Because you have probably not even purchased from me.
Or not even tried it.
Yeah, you are. It's easy to say, I bought from her, I know this. I've seen gossip threads and I'm like, oh, I know somebody who works for her and they have said she's a bitch. कौन है ये इंसान जरा मुझे बताओ. Like my team is a handful of people and I have had long team retention in my company. So who are these people and who are you? It's so easy to say, no, you have no, like when Reet was, when we became a public couple, there was so much said on gossip forums about him that, oh, I know that girl he dated before this and he did this. Who are these people? Like, who do you know really? You cannot trust because they are all nameless, all faceless. You didn't really put your order ID and your customer ID and I will check your order. Then you tell me. Then it's a feedback. Don't come faceless and nameless and then tell me that anything about my product. Then I'm not listening. I'm sorry. I don't have time for that. Like genuinely don't have time for that.
Yeah, fair. Bro, so since we are on this topic about your relationship being public, right? And I think most of your life is public, like everything.
Yeah.
So is there something that you intentionally will not share with your audience? You'll be like, let me keep this part of my life private, since everything is out there.
Or somewhere you set the boundary.
Yeah, I do. I think I was very candid back then. Like back when I'm telling you I was growing as a creator aggressively, I was super candid. Very open, like मैं मुँह फट हूँ मालूम है, मतलब मैं इतना बात कर सकती हूँ और मैं कुछ भी, मतलब मेरे जो ओपिनियंस है मैं एकदम ओपनली पहले शेयर करती थी. मैं कभी सोचती नहीं थी कि अरे इसके बारे में लोग ऐसा सोचेंगे, ऐसा ट्विस्ट करेंगे. honestly, the internet was really forgiving before. Very forgiving. It
Yeah.
was not as
I
toxic.
think so also, yeah.
Yeah, it's not as toxic. Like today, one wrong thing you say, the way they will twist it, turn it,
Tell
shape.
us
Tell
about
us
it.
about it.
So it's so harsh and it's so like it was not like that. जितने content creators बढ़ गए उतना gossip forum बढ़ेगा, उतना hate channel बढ़ेगा, उतना ये सब. जब मेरे को ये realize होने लगा तो मैंने boundary खींच दी. फिर उसके बाद if Reeta and I on a date night, I'm not vlogging. If we are
Fair.
going out, say for a family, we go out for game night a
Yeah.
lot. We go do a lot of things as family. I'm not vlogging. First, my nephew used to be a lot in vlogs. He's not anymore. If I'm having actual core family time, unless it's a festival, I'm probably my camera's off, or it's
Yeah.
just like a time lapse on the side and
Yeah.
music aa jayega.
And not the real conversation.
Not the real conversation. First, actually, जो मेरी family
हाँ.
बात कर रही है, जो mom dad बोल
You
रहे
used
हैं,
to
ये
put that
सब
up.
डालती थी मैं. And then फिर they used to start criticizing my mom and my dad.
Yeah.
And they are thinking in fact, I'm like, who are you? Who are you to judge my parents thinking if I am their daughter and I'm okay with their upbringing?
Yeah.
Then तुम्हारा क्या जा रहा है? But ये
Yeah.
सबको कितने
It's
लोगों को
always
justify
that
करना?
people watch 30 seconds of something and assume the
Yeah.
worst.
And sometimes people feel, they always say that you should think before you speak when you say anything, but they're not thinking before they speak when they're
Yeah.
writing that comment. So actually very hypocritical. Like the audience, because their face is not there now. So
Nothing is harming
no one
them.
can hold them accountable. They're only
100%.
holding you accountable. Did you have to convince him ki make a video with me, make a reel? Because if he was camera shy.
No, actually, the initial years of our relationship, we were private. We had that moments of absolute where is hand and leg and nothing is visible in my vlog.
Soft
Nothing.
launch.
Yeah, no. No
launch,
I
zero
hate that word. When that word started coming in my vlog, I was like, क्या बोल रहे लोग?
People thought it was soft
Yeah,
launching.
मुझे नहीं मालूम था ऐसा कुछ होता है. And Reet was like product थोड़ा impulse का कि तू soft launch. What is this? So it was a relationship for the books, like not for the vlogs. And because we were long distance, because he's from Assam and I'm from Bombay, it was very easy to maintain long distance and maintain.
Very casually you said it.
Wow, ma'am.
Let me correct. It was very easy to maintain long distance and being a public figure because my trips to Assam were private.
You never vlogged that.
Never vlogged.
Interesting.
Never.
So no one knows when you
never
went
even
to
posted
Assam.
a picture from my. Never any picture from Assam, from my house in Assam. Nothing is on internet. Nothing. So that is all
Insane.
super like.
I also didn't know this, bro. This is crazy. Must have taken a lot of planning to like plan your content and then leave.
Yeah, I think especially as a lifestyle vlogger, this is so tough.
I miss uploads and I'll miss
okay.
uploads and my vlogs are already 45 minutes. I know when to
हाँ,
cut.
तो
Correct.
I know when to cut and take off and we book flights very last minute. Reeta and I we waste a lot of money on Akasa Air and that's the only direct flight to Guwahati and it's a lot of money that we book like one day before. Same morning, like that.
And
we
then you
book.
just go.
We
book
just
हुआ
go. Yeah.
तो you miss him, so you'll book a flight.
Yeah.
This is how you do long distance, guys.
This is how you have to do long distance. Otherwise, it's like if you know, I can't meet that person. Of course, if they're cross country, it's impossible.
Yeah, it's damn tough.
That is the hardest form
Visa
of
and all
long.
is though.
Yeah. And even if you have US visa, for example, if it's US or London, you get longer visas. But still, it's expensive, right? You can't just get up and book a 80,000 flight.
It's
but you can
expensive,
book a
the time.
15,000 flight. Yeah.
But wait, if it was long distance, how did you meet? Like,
Yeah.
We've spoken about this on a pod. So
you can say it in short if you want.
we already knew that each other existed because of friend groups in like this area that we live in. We already knew because he also had a house in this area only, just like 35 minutes from my house. So that was like we knew of each other's existence. We didn't know we were open to date.
Oh.
We already had each other's number and like people who knew each other, and then we started talking. We spoke only for 2.5 months without meeting, and then the first time we met, we were already in love with each other.
Oh, that's so sweet. I have goosebumps. And now y'all have been doing long distance since the beginning.
Since the beginning.
And y'all are still doing long distance.
Sort of. Like now Reet is very comfortable in... So he lived in Bombay. When I had met him also, he had a job in Bombay. But now he's doing like content full time. So now he's just transitioning to like being more of a travel adventure creator. And he wants to like specialize in Northeast India. Because he wants to grow that. Now he does like bigger, longer periods there than longer periods here. Where he'll just edit, upload. Then again he'll travel. Then again he'll come back. So
Nice,
we do that.
Very
It's really-
interesting
yeah.
actually. It's really cool.
I would watch one of his vlogs.
Even I would watch.
Vlog नहीं बनाता, really है,
reel.
really
Oh,
है.
I thought-
मैं बहुत
You
बोला उसको.
understand YouTube is the game.
उसको
Read.
कितना बोलो सुनता नहीं है.
He should learn.
I think even we
Yeah.
took some time, honestly, to learn. Like initially, that kick,
Yeah.
that kick only comes on reels. That satisfaction,
Immediate, it's
Immediate,
instant
yeah,
gratification.
instant gratification.
literally, and that instant goes also instantly.
Truly.
And then on YouTube, the people that watch you, the comments, the support you get is just like it's unmatchable.
He
So I
hates
think we
YouTube community thinking उसने आज तक सिर्फ shorts डाला है और
Oh,
shorts पे तो
नहीं, there's lots of hate.
on shorts.
Because it's like real.
हाँ
So he
and
thinks-
then मेरे जब मैंने उसको पहली बार हमारा जो साथ में व्लॉग था वो बाली था
हाँ.
और फिर उस पे लोग बहुत जजमेंट आया है ना तो ही हैज ऑलवेज थॉट कि यूट्यूब वाले लोग बहुत जज करते हैं जबकि एक्चुअली मैंने उसको अच्छे कमेंट्स पर ही हैज दैट थिंग कि वो सिर्फ बुरा देखेगा अच्छा नहीं देखेगा लाइक पीपल राइट पैराग्राफ्स फॉर अस एंड लव अस सो मच थ्रू यूट्यूब एंड आई शो हिम दैट एंड ही विल जस्ट स्माइल बट इफ देयर इज सम हेट ही इज लाइक देखो उसने ऐसा बोला आई एम लाइक लिसन देखिए मत
I
तू
think
ना
we
अच्छा
should
देख ना बुरा
try
देख छोड़ दे
posting one vlog and see.
One vlog.
he
yeah.
starts and then he forgets he's vlogging and then finish
Us. Huh.
So we have this segment called After the Clock Strikes 12.
Okay.
Since it's a sleepover.
Okay.
And where we get into a little deeper things. And today we want to talk to you about, like, we've seen you talk very openly about your skin, your body, everything like that. And you're so like, you're
Confident.
Like, confident about it.
Yeah.
Like, where does that come from?
Comfortable, confident. And these are.
I think I've never seen you, like, you're always confident. Even if you're at an event, you're like very, like, you have that aura.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I think it comes from not seeing people like me back in the day. To be very honest, a part of me at events especially is underconfident too. At events, I'm not socially awkward. I can talk
Yeah.
to everyone. But I feel extremely tall. When I wear a heel and I'll go to an event, you can understand I'm the most awkward that day. I will not look it. I can really act confident and internally I feel extremely visible. I would say that's the word.
Like, you feel everyone's looking at you.
Looking at me and I don't want to be seen. Like sometimes I just don't want to be seen. I just want to be like the smallest person, like but I can never become small.
Yeah.
From the smallest person in the room, I feel the exact opposite of it. I feel almost invisible because
Yes.
everyone is so tall and they're like kind of like
Yeah.
towering over me. So I'm like,
Where
hello?
are we? Yeah.
Where are we? Yeah.
The grass is green on the other side
yes,
situation.
literally,
Yeah,
exactly.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are days that I am not, but also I came on the internet with a very specific agenda that people like me exist, but nobody's
Yeah.
representing them. Like brown skin, acne, stretch marks, cellulite, all this is absolutely normal. A women's body goes through, even male body
Yeah.
goes through so many changes when you're growing up, and we are shamed for it so commonly as if nobody else has grown up.
Yeah.
And it's so easy to think what you're seeing with Photoshop, filter, etc. In fact,
Yeah.
just yesterday I came across a very famous influencer hiding her acne marks in a video filter, and I was like, why do this? Like, why do this? And the comments were calling her out
Yeah.
because it was glitching in
Visible.
certain places, and you could see the acne, and then you could not see the acne. And I was like, oh shit! All my life I thought this girl has clear skin.
Yeah.
So you are very easily decepted, thinking this is the normal. Like now, I keep mentioning in my vlogs how GLP-1 is going to be so easily accessible to people, and skinny will become the new normal, and everyone will want to be skinny. So be very conscious of what you're consuming on the internet to not let that affect you. That this is what I want to look like. What you look like is absolutely fine, and you will have your own growth progress, like own cycle of growth and own journey. So I keep my narrative is still the same. I still talk about that. Back when I started representing this community, very few. Only Jovita George was there in the brown community. Debashri was there. Only these two I remember in the brown Indian skin tone. Yes, Sherry was there, Shreya Jain was there. They were all lighter and did not. I remember Sherry had acne and she used to make these long videos where she used to explain what I used to follow her acne journey so clearly. I'd messaged her long messages on DMs and told Sherry that Sherry, I have this type of acne and this, and what did you do and which doctor you went to, because she's a Bombay girl.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, even I can go to the doctor she's gone to. So yeah, I was on birth control for a really long time for my acne.
Yeah.
And I asked, and she also mentioned she's taken it. So I asked her how long you took it, and it was okay. And remember, she said 3 years, and I had already taken for 1 year. So then it gave me some condolence that theek hai, she's taking it like for 2 more years I can take. Like
Yeah.
theek hai. It was not theek hai. Uske baad like I weaned off it, and then again acne aaya. Fir
Yeah.
like मतलब मेरी
It's
जो
a journey,
it's
yeah,
a
yeah.
journey.
It is truly.
और वो जर्नी मुझे लोगों को दिखानी थी कि at every point कैसे दिखता है तुम्हारा स्किन एंड क्या तुम्हारा like आज today I'm 27 and get adult acne also sometimes.
Yeah.
Same to same, bro.
Yeah. So
No, honestly, I feel like I get very misled even by content creators because I also wanted to go on birth control for my acne. So I went to a few dermats to be like, I want to go and all. But obviously, I'm very underweight for my age. I'm very small. I'm very petite. So my weight can't take birth control. It's
Oh,
too much for me,
okay,
right?
okay.
So they couldn't put me only on it.
Okay.
But I was under the impression that that was the only fix.
Fix.
Like that was an oral medication I could take and it would really fix my skin.
Yeah, that you feel like amazing when you're on birth control. If you
Yeah.
take the right brand, like
Yeah.
there are wrong brands. Yeah.
And if you've done like your blood test, you're all covered, guys, don't listen to us. You
Yeah,
go
yeah.
to Dermat and see.
This is where people relate to me. This
Yeah.
is how I stay relevant by keep sharing
And
my
real.
journey. Yeah, real.
Yeah.
Real is my only USP with everything. That is the only thing I know how to do. Baki confidence keeps fluctuating in person, but in online, I think in a room where no, like here I'm confident,
Yeah.
just three of us. Like if this was a live show and there was an audience,
You weren't.
no thanks.
But
I
that-
can't do latent. I'm very intimidated by
Yeah.
crowds. Very
I think you would
easily.
be able to do it.
No, thank you.
I
I
think
love
you would be a
Samay.
good speaker, public speaker.
Yeah. That's the vibe you give us.
I was so nervous for my TED talk. I was so nervous. Like Reet had to
the
hold
fact
my
that
hand.
you've done a TED
TED
talk
Talk.
means you could be a good public speaker.
When
You
I
are.
went on stage, I'll tell you the best part about a good stage. You
Yeah.
can't see your audience.
Yes.
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 A good stage is so well lit on you
That
that,
you
you
can't
can't see the
When you
audience.
can see people making faces or like their expressions or
Or
like
not paying attention
or like
and being on the
their
phone.
phone. It's
Yeah.
so annoying. I'm like, why was I called?
I don't know, one event we had done like a live event in some college and we were on stage, okay, and it was one of our first pod events. So people were like actively asking us questions. It was like an
Ooh,
interactive
yeah.
session.
Amazing.
And this one girl, I don't know what had happened, but this one girl from the back, she got into this heated conversation about her boyfriend
Yeah.
and their relationship. And we had no idea how to respond because we
We
talk
didn't know.
in front of cameras, right?
Yeah. Like she
Oh.
asked us some genuine advice on her relationship.
And
And
it
it
was
was
a
quite
quite-
intense.
It was a quite messed up, intense relationship. So it was very tough on the spot to give advice.
Oh
like
my
that.
god. But why are you all couple counselors? When did you all become
No, so we talk about relationships, friendships, and stuff. So we just
yeah.
asked the crowd, like, is there anything y'all want to share with us? And then this girl went like fully.
She went off. So yeah, crowd work and like talking live
It's
and all
too
is very
much.
tough. Yeah.
I performed on YouTube Fan Fest, which was
Yeah.
super intimidating too.
What?
But
How is it though?
that was so fun though. Like that was my first celebrity
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah.
Like,
Kind
what
of.
did you do?
I danced with Lisa Mishra. Yeah, and I was.
You danced?
I had no idea they will do that to me. Like I was. When I had to give consent for FanFest, my first thing was why me? Because what will I go on stage and do? I'm not doing a makeup masterclass. What am I gonna do? Like I'm not a host. I'm not like I don't do all this, right?
Correct. Yeah.
But they were like, just trust us, just trust us, just trust us. And YouTube team saying trust us is okay. Like I have trusted them too many times and they've done good things to me. So I was like, okay, fine, let me do it. I might never get this chance again. You know, these are might
Yeah,
never
this is
get
your
like
moment.
I might never
Yeah.
get this again. So let me do it. My first thing for everything is why me, and second is वापस नहीं आया तो कर
Yeah.
लेते तो कर लिया. And then they told me you will just have to dance little bit with Lisa and then uske baad you can this Lisa Mishra, yeah, she says Lisa, yeah. You just have to dance a little bit with Lisa and then it's your segment with Gurleen, and Gurleen Pannu is a proper like comedian,
Yeah.
stand-up comedian, talks jokes online and in crowds, and they do stand-up, right? And both of this was intimidating, and Lisa Mishra was a concert performer,
Yeah.
singer, and I'm like, what? And I am sitting in my room and making YouTube videos. And I have no idea how to do this. But I was just like it's okay.
Was
it's
it a
like,
good time?
It was so good. And I got so much compliment. And in fact, a lot of crowd knew me, which I
Good.
thought won't happen.
No,
because
I'm sure,
Yeah, no,
like-
but like this crowd, like the crowd that attends FanFest would know bigger again
Yeah.
icons, like YouTube
Yeah.
icons,
Yeah.
right? Like Samay or
I think you're very
Avis.
heavily underestimating yourself, but okay, fine.
Yeah, I think that too. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think when I was in the crowd and people were screaming my name
Yeah.
and like putting their hand up to me,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh my god, these people actually know me.
They're here for you.
They know me, and they
Yeah.
later met me, and I was like,
You did a
wow.
meet and greet and all.
No, I didn't have that side because we had who are performers had to be backstage only.
Okay.
For meet and greet, they shortlist different creators.
Huh.
So yeah, that was one moment where I think I have these, and then I realized that oh my god, like that was definitely an oh my god day for me for sure. And Reed got dengue after that.
What?
After that, he had dengue, and then it was
You
for me,
remember
it's
it like that?
because he had. You should see his videos of clapping. I've never posted it. That's like keeping it private. Screaming on the top of his voice for me, cheering, and that man
he
had
felt sick.
104 fever. And he was so sick. And after that, when I went in the audience, like I went after the show because I was not allowed to go backstage, say front stage. I hugged him and I was like, "Why are you so hot? Like hot? Like why are you so hot?" And he's like, "I'm not feeling well at all, but you did so well." And I was like telling my parents that you all should have taken him home.
Yeah.
Why have you all kept him here? And the next day morning, I do his blood test, and then evening we come to know he has dengue. And I knew it was something bad, like because he was so weak and pale and all. But yeah,
Riya knows.
I'll tell you my dengue story off camera
Yeah.
after this.
you were admitted and all over.
I did not get admitted. I was almost like I was so sick. But
It
I did
goes
not.
really bad very fast.
It was horrible. Like I don't think I've ever been that sick in my life. Like that
Yeah,
was the sickest
100%.
I've been. And I didn't know that dengue
It's
was
that
like that.
bad.
you,
It's that
like-
bad.
I genuinely didn't. I don't even know that those 2 weeks have
You don't
gone
even
by in
remember
like
what all happened.
I have no idea. She had called me and spoken to me some 5-6 times. She's like, "You don't remember we FaceTime?" I'm like, "When, sis?" Like I have no idea. It was so bad. I'll tell you everything properly later.
Okay, so it's game time, and this game is very you.
Okay.
Like we have a list of few people, celebrities and stuff, and you have to give us what would their coffee order be, like according to you.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Okay, first person, Karan Johar.
Ooh, like a very strawberry mango frappuccino, sweet and
Ooh.
you know, like yeah, sweet and maybe like can't make it a salty mocha, or I would do like a salty sea salt mocha also for him.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Good
Okay,
one.
Taylor Swift.
Ah, she's like whimsical, right?
Yeah.
So, I think I would do matcha for Taylor Swift. Like I would do like a blueberry matcha for Taylor Swift. Yes.
okay.
That sounds
Yeah,
good. Yeah.
yeah.
A blueberry matcha is giving like 1989. No?
Yes.
Or even a cherry matcha.
Yeah,
Like a
yeah.
cherry matcha would be so like dark
Yeah.
red is her.
Surprised you said matcha.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
quite surprised
I don't
you
know
said
why I
matcha.
don't. I think she's not a coffee person.
I
No,
think she's
she
like a
is.
black coffee person.
Yes,
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she does so much in her day. Like I
Like
think
she needs
she's
to be awake.
Yeah, literally, yeah. She
Yeah.
needs to get through it. Next, Blair Waldorf.
Oh, why are you all these
Yo,
cute? Like yeah, I'm
Everyone
very,
is giving black.
Blair, yeah.
very
cute.
cutesy people you're giving for this.
We can find some more serious people.
I think Blair would do like super sweet vanilla latte, like extremely over sweet. Like if there was one sugar cube, she would add another sugar cube and like take her vanilla latte
Yeah.
without low fat milk and no cream
yes.
I
and
think she
skimmed
would do
milk.
a caramel latte.
Really?
Because they always say, na, as fall approaches, Blair's birthday comes in. And caramel is like a
fall thing.
Is it a fall thing?
It's an all-year thing, but
Can't
yeah.
you
The
remember
vibe.
when Blair's birthday?
It's a thing in Gossip Girl.
Oh,
It's
yeah?
a famous
I've
thing.
seen
Why? I
Gossip
don't
Girl when I
remember,
was
yeah.
really young. So I
Yeah,
don't
same. Even I
remember.
saw it a while ago, but it's quite like iconic in my head. I remember quite a bit. Let's see who else. Ranveer Singh.
Oh, that is undoubtedly like triple shots of espresso in like an iced Americano because he's super like on the go. I wouldn't give him a hot drink. I would give him an iced drink,
Yes.
like 3 shots of espresso, and you can go.
I think with some protein in it.
Just because yeah, super, you did that. Yeah, I think it may. I don't know if he's having it, but
Yeah.
yeah, for
I
sure.
don't know if he's having it.
Okay. This is like not a celebrity, but a startup founder. Any startup founder.
Any startup
Yeah.
founder, I think all of us are black coffee people.
Yeah?
Yeah, startup founders are big time black coffee people. Yeah.
I've noticed this, you know.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
actually noticed
You know why?
this.
I'll tell you why. It's like they don't have time. Like there's no time to make this complicated coffee
Yeah.
with
Oh,
cream
dude.
and creamer and sugar and all this shit. Just make the
Syrups.
coffee, give it, have it, get on with the day.
Yeah.
And nobody else can mess up your coffee order too. Because
Yeah,
it's a
it's
black
just
coffee,
straight
like you
up.
can give it to me
Yeah.
anyhow. In fact, nowadays I've been having mine with milk just because I don't want to have it like empty. Black coffee, empty stomach.
Yeah.
It's not ideal.
It's not good for you. So I always, and I cannot do a breakfast the minute I get up. But I have it with milk or a protein powder, then it's already like my stomach's full and then the
Yeah.
coffee is
Correct. Yeah. Smartly lining her stomach. The airport dad. Like what coffee would he get?
My dad is so like
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Boring
I was just
cappuccino.
saying,
Basic.
hazelnut is the max he'll experiment.
Basic.
Hazelnut cappuccino.
Hazelnut is a dad flavor. I think it's a dad flavor because even my dad loves hazelnut.
So many people do. Like, my dad loves your hazelnut and my dad loves your espresso. It's a thing in my DMs. Like, dad's loving hazelnut and espresso.
That's actually really
I love
funny.
hazelnut. Is that like
You're a
question?
You're a dad, can't you?
You're a dad, can't she?
Monica Geller.
Ooh.
Oh, she's so type A like me,
Yeah.
and so I think even she would be a black coffee person. Maybe she'll add a little cinnamon to it, because like fat loss,
Yeah.
good for fat loss to have cinnamon coffee.
I think her order could also be something like, you know how the Starbucks girlies order?
Very like particular. This milk, no fat. This coffee.
But this is how I see Blair. Like
Yeah.
Blair,
Agree, actually.
Yeah, Blair is
Agree.
also type A like that.
Yeah.
Particular. Yeah.
Okay.
Monica Geller was fat, no? She lost
Yeah.
weight in the
Yes.
show.
So she'll be very
she would do
particular.
very like like black coffee is great for fat loss, and then
Yeah.
adding cinnamon to it is great for blood sugar regulation. So it's like a thing. I
Let's
think
do, he's not on the list, but I want to ask Messi. What
Okay.
do you think?
Athletes also usually go for black coffee. They
Yeah,
don't
people are that
experiment.
boring.
Yeah. Athletes do black
Let's
coffee. I
give
think
you
they
a-
do espresso shots.
Yeah, even I think.
Kareena Kapoor.
Ooh.
Ooh. Actually, Kareena from back then
Huh.
would definitely do a very full fat milk. I know she
Yes.
is this Punjabi
Yeah.
who loves her full fat milk kind of this, and then put milk, put coffee. She would do like a latte but with heavy fat milk. But today's Kareena is more like mature
Yeah.
and older and everything, and I think she does a keto coffee. She'll do like put ghee in it for her Punjabi tadka.
This is so like apt.
I see it, yeah. I see it.
Yeah, you're like giving
Perfect coffee.
uh,
Also, like while you're picturing it, I'm picturing this ghee wala coffee
Yeah.
in her mug while she's walking out of her house.
Okay, what about the Pinterest girl?
Ooh.
Pinterest girl. Like a strawberry frappuccino again, or a raspberry frappuccino. I have a raspberry coffee which is very girl coded, and people would put like make coffee, then make it very foamy, frothy,
whipped cream.
but also put syrup before you do it, and then
Yeah.
put the milk
Like
and then the
basically a
cream.
pretty drink.
Very beautiful drink, very aesthetic, and like
Yes,
super.
agree.
I can like look at this girl making her coffee in this kitchen where she has all her syrups lined up and
Yeah,
labeled,
yes.
and her fruits in like small things, and she would add
see
them to the coffee. Their coffees are desserts, and that's
Yeah.
not coffee.
Yeah, that's not coffee.
Are all Pinterest girls Kanchi for sure?
Am I?
No?
I'm not Pinterest girls, but I like some kind of
She
aesthetic.
likes a few cute
yeah,
things.
yeah.
Okay.
But she's not
but
always
not a
aesthetic,
very
if that's your question.
aesthetic. Like
This
not.
is very aesthetic.
Yeah.
This is
The pod is aesthetic.
This is our creative producers doing. If you see us in our life, we are not very
not
aesthetic.
aesthetic. I
Yeah.
am not aesthetic.
I
at
try
all.
very hard to be aesthetic, but I cannot.
Let us know like what's coming, like something coming.
Nothing is coming in my relationship. I think I have so much pressure from the internet and
Yeah.
not my parents to be very.
This is so weird.
This like I
This is
have
crazy.
the most chill parents ever. Like for my parents, Reet is already their damad. Like he is the like house damad. No,
Yeah.
house damad. What do you call it? Like
Damad of the family.
I have one more damad.
Oh.
Like but I don't.
Sorry,
My
damad.
mother parents do. My sister is already married,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
7 years older to me. She's already married. She has a son also. But Reet is very damad coded. Like he loves my parents, and my parents are super loving, warm teddy bear people. So they love. They all get along
Yeah.
really well, which is touchwood, mashallah. That is exactly what I
Yeah.
wanted for my family. And so marriage is not going to change much for us.
Yeah.
Which is why we don't want to rush into it, because both of us are building like our careers so aggressively. And a lot of people on the internet are like, oh, so what? Just put a ring on it and like call it a. No, it doesn't work like that. Like a lot will change for me, especially once I'm married, because we are two different cultures also. I'm
Yeah.
Muslim, he's
Yeah.
Hindu. I'm Mumbai core. I'm born, brought up. My parents are born, brought up in Mumbai. He's from Assam.
Yeah.
Very different cultures. I'll have to learn, even though he's been in Bombay, he also like
Yeah.
adapts. I have to learn that culture. I go there, but not that often to like, know, I don't know how to speak Assamese. I will not survive. So,
I will
think-
not survive.
yeah, and that's a slow village.
Slow life.
Slow life.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, people in Assam move so aram se, they are living their life. and it's great for a holiday. But I am such a
could not.
hustle with our
I
girl.
get it.
You know, so things will change. Which marriage is not a full stop for us for shopping, but the internet puts high pressure. Like
At this age, yeah, I guess.
oh my god, there
I've
was
never
this
seen
birthday.
someone say the internet
It's
puts
putting
pressure
pressure
and
to
my
your
parents are not.
Yeah.
Even his parents are not. His parents are also like damn chill. They are like, in his family, usually people have gotten married only late. So age wise, so he has no pressure.
Yeah.
Already we are like 26, 27. So we are not old as such.
Yeah.
It's just that maybe every other influencer in my age group has gotten married around this time. It is the right age.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a right or wrong age, but I think it is the age people can get married if they want to. Great for you. Like, I think it's great time to settle down. But since we are together so much, and when we are not together, we are building our careers.
Yeah.
We want that balance, which after marriage becomes like, तुम लोग long distance शादी भी कर रहे हो, like वो भी लोग judge करते हैं, मालूम है, तुम लोग long distance शादी के बाद भी करोगे, that I don't know how you'll make it work. I was like, हम देख लेंगे ना, हम देखेंगे. We have to make it work at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's not about you and it's not about the internet. So that I think we have a lot of pressure on the internet. Like Reet, we put something online and it's like, oh, when I remember Reet had done a very elaborate birthday surprise for me this year. I didn't post it only. Because I was like, if I post this, people will think proposal aane wala hai iske. It was such an elaborate birthday
What was the
surprise.
birthday surprise?
It was
Now you have to- now you have to
no.
say
Or just say what was it. Don't show us.
Yeah,
It was like I came home from so I was it was before my birthday. So again, you don't know if
Yeah.
it's my birthday. And I'm going to Lollapalooza to shoot for Nivea. And I was there and Reet calls me at Lolla and he's like, babe, Midnight is performing. And I was like, oh my god. And I left Lolla because मेरे को तो सिर्फ Nivea का shoot करना तो मैंने concert अटेंड नहीं की. हम अगले दिन Linkin Park के लिए जाने ही वाले थे. तो आई वाज लाइक तुम आ जाओ फिर मैं वापस जा रही हूँ रेस कोर्स में तुम आओ हम जाएंगे मेरे पास दोनों दिन के पासेस थे we'll go and watch Midnight because it's our favorite band. He's like no Midnight keeps coming to India now there's too much traffic now if I try to come I won't reach it in time and all that. You come home. And Sharon was next to me. She's my manager and she's in on this plan and she's like come let's go my stomach is paining and all. I said okay. Then I drove and we reached home quickly. We didn't get traffic. And then Sharon was like, I was like, I'll drop you. And then she's like, no, I left my bag at your house. I was like, okay, now all this is seeming very normal. And I want to pee really bad, okay? मुझे इतनी जोर की सुसु आई थी तो मैं lift में I was like holding and then because I was like dancing like this holding my stomach she started taking my video so I thought she's taking a video because I look so funny.
Yeah.
Everything just panned out perfectly.
And I have the fingerprint lock so I can just I don't ring the
Open,
bell
yeah.
I just open and he's standing there and there's full candles hanging from this table is set up and like and he's just standing there and I screamed so loudly. I knew it's a birthday surprise because we are not getting married anytime soon. So I screamed so loudly. And then my friends came from one side. And I screamed even more loudly. Then I wanted to pee. So I ran in the bathroom. I peed. I came out and more friends came from the bedroom. So I screamed. And my father's playing the drums. And he...
So cute.
This is so sweet.
It was...
You never posted
I
this.
never posted this.
Yaar.
It's not
Stop
that.
you know,
pressurizing
I
her to
love
get
this.
married. You would have
And-
seen this video then. Idiot.
I know, but that's the thing, right? These are moments of joy, which I feel if you put it out on the internet, you get either, like nothing good will come out of it.
I think people feel happy, yeah.
Feel happy for me,
They'll
for
feel very
sure.
happy
Very
for
happy
you.
for me. Now I narrated the whole thing to you, but had you seen, like, oh my god, a proposal must be coming. I thought a proposal is there. So disappointed it's not a proposal.
yeah,
अगर ऐसे
that's
comments
true.
आए हों तो मैं
Understood.
बहुत चिढ़ जाती.
Got the vibe,
oh,
yeah.
he should have proposed.
Yeah.
Like,
This was
I
a
am-
perfect setting. Yeah. I get pissed off even if I'm making a dance video and someone comments saying that I was waiting for a transition. So you keep waiting, bro. I'm not making.
yeah.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is so sweet though. I love his surprise.
But I love how you kept it private.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so these are my moments which I don't know how I shared, but
But
like,
you just shared it.
हाँ,
Yeah.
People haven't
People
seen
still haven't
it.
seen
my
it.
creators have told me, my creator friends have told me कि proposal के बाद लोग ring भी judge करते हैं,
Yes.
size
Yes.
किधर किया, इसका इससे better था, इसका ऐसा. I was like,
Oh my god, I'm scared.
the
bro. What the
internet has
hell?
put so much pressure on a proposal and
For real.
No, yeah, it's supposed to be whatever
It's
you
supposed
like,
to be
however you
your
like.
thing,
I
feel.
loved Prableen and Rahul.
It was
So
so
intimate.
cute. I
That was
cried.
the- yeah, that
What
was
was
the-
that?
like I saw that and I was like, so like this is actually
Real.
she was not seeing it coming.
And
Like,
this is a real proposal. That is what it's
Because
supposed to
she
be.
was literally in like normal clothes coming back from work or
Yeah.
whatever, and then
I
Yeah.
definitely want to say that I would rather have a proposal like that and do a photo shoot later. Because
Yes.
I want to enjoy
Yes.
the moment.
Yeah, a lot of my friends have done.
Okay, what is next for you when it comes to
Yeah,
Impulse
before we
coffee.
end the pod, like give us some hints. Give the audience some hints.
So we're changing a lot at Impulse now. Like y'all have known me just as the coffee girl
Yeah.
so far. Like I used to have this bio saying crazy coffee lady. But things are changing at Impulse and it's not just going to be a coffee brand moving forward.
What?
Yeah, it's going to change this year. Like what I cannot tell you yet, but it's going to change for the better.
I don't know how I feel about that.
But it's called Impulse Coffees, right?
Yeah, so that will also change.
Whoa!
Stop. What?
Okay, that was a
This
big,
is
big
like-
one.
That's a big spoiler for everyone.
Yeah, nobody knows this yet. You're like exclusive.
Insane.
Love that. Love
Yeah.
that you chose this spot to drop the
I
crazy
didn't choose it
statement.
actually. I was not planning it, but it was more like I've grown up. Like I said, I started the brand when I was really small, and now I'm much bigger, mature, have a different lifestyle. The brand has resonated with that. And yeah, certain consumers know what's coming because we've done like these focus groups to
Yeah.
understand like is the audience going to be shocked or like they're going to appreciate it or how are they reacting to it, but it's going to be better and everyone's very happy that it's happening.
Wow.
So yeah, we will though still sell coffee. I just
Yes.
have to say that because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everyone's
Always
like
sell coffee.
always sell
Yeah.
coffee. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Everyone was like, oh, are you gonna not sell coffee? Then what will I have in the morning? No, coffee to rahega hi, but there will be more. I think the word coffees has always restricted me. So from category expansion, even so much so that when we did iced tea, but you all are a coffee brand, like that's
Yeah.
So the perception became like we're a coffee brand,
Correct.
and that will change to a new story.
Love that. So excited for you.
Thank you.
Yay. Before we leave, you need to give us a recommendation. Time for Richie recommends. Yeah.
Okay. I actually thought of this and came.
We'll have a guest that's prepared.
Yeah. Yeah, she told me think of a product or something. Okay, movie.
Yes.
Just recently watched Voicemails to.
Yes.
Oh my god, such a nice movie after such a long time.
Yeah.
So this audience coded.
Yes.
Everyone's gonna love it who has Netflix subscription, or if you don't, just rob it from someone and watch it. Voicemails to Isabel.
Yes.
Beautiful, heartwarming. Like now this weather in
Wholesome.
Bombay, like
Yeah.
just cuddle into a blanket and
Yes.
sip your coffee and
So wholesome. Bro, I cried so much in that movie.
the
Romance
last-
is back.
I think
that kind of romance.
rom-coms
They can
are
they don't remake this in Bollywood, but yeah.
no, but this was too cute.
I also want to recommend Main Wapas Aaunga. I
Oh,
think it's
no,
such an.
I told Ria that let's go watch it, but she's like, I don't think I'm in the mood to cry.
I will hit y'all if y'all don't go watch it. I will hit y'all. No, go now. I will book your ticket. Abhi. Go. This is why Bollywood में only
Yeah.
animal जैसी picture perform
I think
करती
we
है.
should
We
go.
should go.
Y'all should
Yeah.
support Bollywood के such
Yeah.
movies.
Honestly, we would love it. But it's very art type
And
of
तू
movie.
नहीं रोएगी. इतना रोने जैसा
Listen,
नहीं है.
She cries
You
at everything.
don't know. I will cry. Like they'll start only. I will cry. I will be crying beginning to end. Kanchi looks at me like this. Should I bring tissue? Should I bring? I'm like, relax, I'm fine. Because I actually will sob. So I need to go mentally prepared. But if
Yeah.
you're saying it's good, I will go.
It's a beautiful storyline. It's actually the acting is also like
Yeah.
great. Because it's an Imtiaz Ali movie. I think it's played out so nicely with an angle. They always put a health disease or a mental illness. So
Yeah.
he's put dementia in this, and it's played out like the way the main actor is having dementia and thinking of that part of his life during the partition, but in a very beautiful way. And actually did not know. I did not know how much people went through during the
Yeah.
India-Pakistan partition. So it was a very nice angle on history, which even I did not know.
I actually love these India Park movies.
It's a very, very nice movie, like very well
I
portrayed.
have lots of insight on this because I'm Sindhi. So growing up, my grandparents have
Yeah.
only told me India Park stories.
Oh.
So I'll
we
tell you.
were- we
You wanna
came-
know
Oh my God,
it?
yes, I
I'll tell you
do.
everything. Yeah.
My dadi also used to tell me stories of the partition days, but
Yeah.
she never experienced it. But
Yeah.
we had relatives who experienced
Yes,
it.
yeah.
So
Crazy.
yeah.
I think it'll be a really good movie. We should go
Yes,
watch.
you
yeah.
should. You should take your family also and go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was so sad seeing the numbers of that because in these movies people are like हाँ Netflix पे देख लेंगे.
Yeah.
नहीं यार टिकट
Go and
खरीदो
support
जाओ
cinema.
देखो.
Yeah.
तुमको सिर्फ
Yeah.
एनिमल जैसी मूवी देखनी
In
है
fact-
मार धाड़ ऐसा सब भी देखना है.
In fact, I saw Cocktail 2 and I pre-booked that. I bought the tickets for that on Thursday. I was so excited and I was so pissed when I saw it because I was like, why the hell have I spent money on this shit
And then the popcorn.
and contributed to it and my time? My Saturday afternoon went to watching Cocktail 2, such a bullshit movie.
Rage bait.
I was rage baited through. I was pissed throughout the movie. There was
Everyone
not
has
one good
watched it.
character in
Yeah.
that. Everyone was toxic. Everyone was
Everyone looked beautiful, like
Hmm.
hot.
But that's it.
That's it. That's it.
That was all.
That was all. I went for the premiere only, and Kriti came after that, and she's so gorgeous. And I was like, and she asked, "What did you love about the movie?" And I was like, "Your clothes."
Your outfit.
Your
yeah.
clothes
Your outfit,
were
you
actually said
amazing.
that.
I was saying nobody was listening, but I was saying that. I was saying it so softly that nobody was listening. But yeah, dude, there was no like even Cocktail 1 had a strong storyline. This
Yeah.
one didn't have a storyline
Nothing,
only. Yeah,
nothing.
no.
Cocktail.
The storyline was bad. Whoever's written the story should not be allowed to write more stories.
And that's what's happening with Bollywood. But then this was a great movie. This is मैं वापस आऊँगा is
Love
Good
that.
record, good
Yay.
record.
yes. Watch
Thank
both.
you so much.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. for
Thank you so
having
much
me.
for all the coffee.
Yes, we loved
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming on the pod, Sarah.
Thank you for having me.
Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Obviously, you already subscribed to Sarah, but follow her if you're not following her. Buy some Impulse coffee.
Yes.
And yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. Listen to us on Spotify. And
We will see you same time, same place next week. Bye.